Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to zoom out pictures on Instagram while posting multiple photos. Let's get started. First, launch the Instagram app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. From the bottom panel, tap the plus icon to create a new post. Then, select the Post section. If you select just one photo, you'll see an option to zoom in or zoom out by using the pinch gesture or the zoom icon on the screen. But what if you want to post multiple photos? Once you select multiple photos, you'll notice the zoom icon disappears. Don't worry. You can simply use two fingers to pinch on the screen and zoom out or zoom in, just like you would in any photo gallery app. Click on Next. Additionally, in the left corner of the photo, you'll see an option to toggle between portrait and square. This lets you change the aspect ratio of the images you're posting. If needed, you can also tap Edit to adjust brightness, contrast, filters, and more. And that's it. This is how you can easily zoom out pictures on Instagram when posting multiple images. That's how you can do it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.